It's nice to have some Jarrah. We don't have much Jarrah on the farm left. Some deep in the bush, but it's hard to get to. And you're not allowed to cut down Jarrah without risking a fine or even imprisonment. So these are old Western Power power poles. They replaced them with treated pine poles, and I use the best ones in the yards. These are what's left, and I've got a lot of pine poles, so I'll just use those, and these are going to be firewood. So first Jarrah that this is cut, this new Ryobi saw. Looking for that bolt there I can't hit. One here too. Nail there, nail here, I'm right just in the middle. Another nail here, so just beyond it. Okay, here. It'll probably just fit this last bit of my fireplace, so easy to split. Jarrah is so easy to split compared to blue gum. Just missed a nail there. Oh shit, I think I hit a nail. Just a little bit. Hopefully it keeps cutting. It's not too bad. Just need to touch up. Keep us warm. Alright. You get the idea. I've got my axe, so just to show you how easy Jarrah is to split, this is a pickaroon, a homemade pickaroon, and just splits with that. Half rotten, so it's not really good for much besides firewood. Alright, thank you. So that's what I ended up with from those 4 posts. Hopefully it'll keep us going to the end of winter. We don't burn too much, got a slow burner. So this is what we ended up with. Got 8 bags, 20 kilo bags about, well 2 are inside, so about 200 kilos. Maybe a couple of weeks.